One death of a police officer in this country is too many.
Familie, vriende, lede van die polisie en die valke, sowel as nasionale minister van polisie Nathoo Nhleko, het almal Vrydagoggend by die Somerset Wes NG Kerk bymekaar gekom om hul eer te bied aan die wyle P.J. Hols. Adjutant-offisier Hols is laasweek Woensdag op die N2 doodgesteek.
Let me warn those hardcore, cold-blooded killers and their cycle of criminals that the death of Warren Officer Hall might have deepened our spirit, but be rest assured that in honor of our fallen hero, we will emerge out of this situation more stronger and more tougher.
You left us peaceful memories. Your love is still our guide. And though we cannot see you, you're always at our side. Our family chain is broken and nothing seems the same. But as God calls us one by one, the chain will link again.
Ek is Ronaldo Sharp in Somerset Wes vir Netwerk 24.